welcome back to LiveLeanTV. I'm Jessica Guthrow. Today we're going to do a quick little parody about resistance band mistakes, things that go wrong. I don't even feel it. Does this thing even do anything? Now I guess I'm supposed to squat with it. What is the point of it? I don't get it. What does it even do? Is it working? Oh, it hurts my knees. Why do my knees hurt? What? What? Oh! What? Oh! Ow! Oh, that did not feel good. Ooh, stings. Ooh. Oh, stupid bitch. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that content. I hope it made you laugh. And you know, this is just the silliness of things that are challenging when you're using a resistance band. A lot of these things really do happen and it can be frustrating, but never give up on your booty bands because they do wondrous things for your booties. If you want more workouts including booty bands, you should check out my Build a Butt Extreme and you can find out how to use booty bands the right way. Make sure to check the description box below for the link to Build a Butt Extreme, and I also put a link for my favorite brand of booty bands in case you're interested to know which ones I like that do the least amount of breaking and rolling up and all that nonsense. Alright, I'll see you guys at the next video. Thanks for watching and keep living lean!